there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Bapin syusaphan, balay bapit syupun syutom kai, ya kamet lajok. Namarba ka kabapi amnod ngiru hang ni. Syuaban take up yung gadang project, niladon minatagajik tumu. Ni Kular. Ba kan numdon Kano ka Jingpynjot, yaki Khlaw yaki Btap, ka Jingpynjot, yaki ting isit, itwa sisyaban preserve, baka environment, kanlong kabapit kababiang, hapok ka jalami galat. Bat kani kanlong ka Jingtoy ru, yaki pateng, yaki kun, kiksi kujongi, lasay lasangi, kinung imsuk kins.